Nice to meet you. In this session, I will show you step by step how to create a Binance account, and how to trade futures so that even beginners can easily follow along. It's not difficult, so please follow slowly. First, if you sign up through the link below the video you are currently watching, you will receive a lifetime 20% discount on Binance trading fees, along with various bonus benefits. So I recommend signing up through the link below the video. First, let's look at how to sign up for Binance. If you access through the link below the video, you will see the official Binance registration screen. On the left side of the screen, you can confirm that the lifetime 20% Binance fee discount and various bonus benefits are applied. These benefits can only be applied when you access through the link below the video, so please make sure to check. First, let's create an account. Please choose one of the following and enter it your email address or mobile number. Check the agreement box below and click the Continue button. Please select the image that matches the word shown in the upper left corner of the screen. After that, a verification code will be sent to the email or mobile number you entered. Please enter the verification code that was sent. Next, please enter a password. The password must be at least 8 characters long, and must include uppercase letters, lowercase letters, and numbers. If you have completed all of the steps, a screen showing that various benefits are applied will appear. However, if you did not access through the link, the inviter code input step will appear. Click the Yes button. Please enter BB333 in the input field. Then you will receive a 20% Binance fee discount and various bonus benefits. If you skip this step, you will no longer be able to receive the benefits, so please make sure to enter it at this step. If you follow these steps, your Binance account will be successfully created. Next, let's look at how to complete KYC verification. Once the account creation is complete, you need to proceed with KYC verification. You must complete KYC verification to be able to deposit, withdraw, and trade on Binance. Since this process includes a facial verification step, it is recommended to proceed on mobile. First, install the Binance app on your mobile device. And once the installation is complete, run the app. Press the login button at the top left and log in with the account you just created on your PC. Once the login is completed, you will immediately move to the KYC verification step. First, select your nationality. Next, proceed with ID verification. Among the various types of ID shown below, please select one ID that can be verified. In this video, we will select passport. Next, prepare your ID and press take pictures. Press the Continue button below to proceed with the verification. When the camera screen appears, align the passport information page with the on-screen guide, and take a clear photo. Once the photo is taken, the next step will proceed to facial verification. Align your face within the on-screen guide, and follow the instructions such as nodding your head or blinking your eyes, and perform simple actions. Once you complete these steps, the KYC verification application will be completed. Generally, the verification review is completed within about 1 hour. And once it is approved, KYC verification will be successfully completed. Next, let's look at how to set up two-factor security. To safely protect your account, two-factor security setup is essential. We will proceed with this step again on the PC screen. First, click the account menu on the left side, and select the security section. We will set the two-factor security using the Authenticator app, which provides the strongest security. Please click the Manage button on the right side of the Authenticator app section. Then click Enable Authenticator app. A verification code will be sent to your email or mobile, and please enter the verification code that was sent. Then an Authenticator link pop-up window will appear. Now install Google Authenticator on your mobile device. After installing it, run the app. Press the plus button at the bottom right, and select Scan a QR code. When the camera scan screen appears, scan the QR code displayed on the PC screen. Then a 6-digit code will be generated in the Google Authenticator app under the name Binance. This code changes every 60 seconds, so please check it carefully. Check the 6-digit code, and return to the PC screen, and click the Next button below. Finally, in the Authenticator app code field, enter the 6-digit code displayed in the Google Authenticator app. If you complete these steps, the Binance two-factor security setup will be successfully completed. Second, let's look at the Binance peer-to-peer trading method. There are many ways to deposit cryptocurrency into Binance. However, in this session, we will look at the peer-to-peer trading method, which allows you to trade without fees. First, click the wallet icon at the top right of the screen. Then several types of wallets will appear below. We will use 2 wallets. Here, Spot is the wallet for deposits, withdrawals, and spot trading. And Futures is the wallet for futures trading. First, to deposit coins, you need to click Spot. Next, click the deposit button at the top right. And select the peer-to-peer option. If this is your first time using it, a guide message will appear. Check the terms and proceed. Click Start Trading. Then the peer-to-peer trading screen will appear. First, select the buy mode at the top to purchase coins. Next, select the coin you want to trade. Generally, many people trade using USDT, which has relatively low price volatility and high trading volume. Now enter the amount you want to purchase. Next, select the local currency you will use to pay for the coin purchase. Click the button next to it to also select a payment method. Once the settings are complete, the advertiser list will appear below. Here's a tip: if you want to trade safely, it is recommended to trade with advertisers who have a high number of trades and a high success rate. Now select the advertiser you want, and click the Buy USDT button. Before proceeding with the transaction, you must check the advertiser's terms. Enter the purchase amount again, and select the payment method you will use. Once the settings are complete, click Buy USDT. Then the seller's account information will appear on the screen. Before making the payment, be sure to check the chat window on the right to see if there are any instructions. Once confirmed, proceed with the payment to the seller. After the payment is completed, return to the Binance screen and click the Transferred, Notify Seller button below. Then click the Upload button and upload at least one proof of payment. Check the agreement box below and click the Confirm button to submit. While the seller is confirming the payment, go back and click the wallet icon at the top right of the screen. Click Spot to check the deposit. Once the seller confirms the payment, the USDT will be deposited normally into your Spot wallet. Third, let's look at the Binance futures trading method. Before starting futures trading on Binance, you must first transfer the USDT you hold in Spot to futures. Click Spot, and then click Transfer at the top right. Set the transfer direction from Spot to USD futures. Select USDT as the coin to transfer, and enter the amount to transfer. Once the settings are complete, click Confirm. After a moment, the USDT will be transferred to the futures wallet. Now let's start futures trading. Click Trade in the top menu, and select USD futures in the menu below. Then you will move to the futures trading screen. First, click the button at the top left, and a list of various coins available for trading will appear. Please select the coin you want to trade. In the right panel, you can configure the futures trading settings in detail. First, click this button to select the margin mode. Cross is a method that opens a position using all of the margin, and Isolated is a method that opens a position using only part of the margin. For beginners, the Isolated mode, which is easier to manage risk, is recommended. Next, click the button to set the leverage. Leverage can be set up to 150x. But the higher the leverage, the higher both the profit potential and the risk. So beginners are recommended to trade safely with low leverage of 3x or less. In this section, you can set the order type. Limit is a method of placing an order at a price you specify. And market is a method where the order is executed immediately at the current market price. Below, you can check the margin available for trading. In this area, you can set the trade price and quantity. Now finally, in this section, you can choose the position direction. If you expect the coin price to increase, choose Buy Long. If you expect the coin price to decrease, choose Sell Short. Once you choose the position direction, the position will be executed shortly. Click the Positions tab below. To check the status of the executed position, entry price means the price at which the position was entered. Mark price means the current market price. Leak price means the price at which the position will be liquidated, and if that price is reached, the position will be forcibly liquidated. Here, P&L means the current profit rate. If you click the pencil icon under TPSL for position, you can set the take profit price and stop loss price. If you set this function, the position will be automatically closed, which helps with risk management. Finally, if you click the button under Market Close All, you can close the position. Market is a method of immediately closing the position at the current market price. And Limit is a method of closing the position at the price you want. Once selected, the position will be successfully closed. So far, we have shown step by step how to create a Binance account, and how to trade futures so that even beginners can easily follow along. If you have any questions while watching the video, please feel free to leave a comment. If this video was helpful to you, please don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you for watching until the end.